Hi friends, it's me again, Sintang Mayumi. I have a card today, so let's jump right in. The stamp set I used for today's cards is from Hello Bluebird Family Photo Stamp Set. I already went ahead and stamped the images with Versafine Onyx black ink and also die cut them with the coordinating die set. I will color them with my Zig markers. I will let you watch this part and I will be back when the coloring is done. Now that the coloring is done, let's move on to our panels. For our backgrounds, I will use a dye from Concord 9th called Swirl Dyes. I'm making 2 cards today. My panels measures 4 1/4 by 5.5 inches. I will do some ink blending on my panels. For this first panel, I will use cracked Pistachio Distress Oxide ink. And then the second panel will be Dusty Concord. I'm using my blender brush to get smooth blending on my paper. I will splatter some water on the blended panels, and this will give me distress resist. I let the water sit on the paper for a few seconds and then blot the excess water with a paper towel. For the sentiments, I use sentiment from the stamp set. I will stamp it with Versamark ink on dark blue shimmery cardstock and then pour some embossing powder on the stamped sentiments and melt the powder with my heat tool. I'm going to cut the sentiments a little bit shorter with my Fiskars bypass trimmer. And then for the card base, I'm using pure poppy cardstock from Paper Tree Ink. I have my Big Mama paper cutter here, and I love this because it cuts like butter. I cut the cardstock in half lengthwise, and that will give me two A2 size top folding card base. And then I will score them in half using my scoring board and bone folder. I'm also cutting my panels a little bit on the sides so I have a red border on the top and bottom when I adhere it on my card base. And then we can adhere them using liquid glue. I'm also going to adhere my colored images on the lower part of the card. After I adhered everything together, I will add some shadows on the ground using my light gray zig marker. And then we can adhere the sentiments on the upper part of the card with foam tape. For the inside of the cards, I will stamp a sentiment from Paper Tree Ink Christmas Sentiments Stamp Set. And I'm just going to place the sentiment in the middle inside a card and pick that up with the lid of my Misti and ink it up with Versafine Onyx black ink and stamp it on the paper. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other card. I also adhered some candy canes and red birds on the sides of the sentiment. And lastly, I added some shimmer on some parts of my images with Jelly Roll Stardust Clear Pen. And my cards are finished. These cards are super simple, but I love how these ones turned out. The characters are so cute. I hope you like today's cards, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.